Hello and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast, and today I'm up in London in Canary Wharf and I'm going to be looking at some of the stations around here as well as the transport systems that serve them. So come with me and let's have a look around. We're starting off in the absolutely fabulous Canary Wharf DLR station. The concept of the DLR was first discussed around 1982 when the Docklands area was being readied for redevelopment. Construction of the first two lines, one from Tower Gateway to Island Gardens and from Stratford to Island Gardens, were started in 1985. They both opened in 1987, and over the next 20 years more lines were added as the Docklands expanded. The railway is entirely automated, enabling those at the front or rear of the train to get an unobstructed view of the track, which can be quite entertaining. There is, however, a control desk at either end of the train so that the train can be driven manually in the event of an automation failure. New trains are due to be in service by 2023 and look the same as the current stock, albeit with a more streamlined look and less boxy. Just a short walk away from the station is a bridge which will take you across the dock. From this dock you'll be able to see the HSBC building and the brand new station for the Elizabeth line trains. Located on the Abbey Wood branch of the Elizabeth line, the station was built on the West India North Dock. This was achieved using a cofferdam, which is an enclosure built in the water and then pumped out to create a dry space for construction below the waterline. As we shall see shortly, it is a great feat of engineering and very pleasing to the eye. And once across that bridge you'll come to an area with lots of bars and restaurants, as well as some fantastic views, again, of all the high-rise buildings around this area. But let's go and have a look at this new station. As you walk along this walkway, you can get excellent views of the DLR and its station at West India Quay, which is right next door to most of the major skyscrapers in this area. As you come out from under the bridge of West India Quay, you're treated to the fantastic sight of the new station building, which is already open with shops and restaurants. The station is very spacious inside and is easily got to by a walkway which connects it to 1 Canada Square. The geometric shapes on the walls of this walkway were added in 2020 and designed by French artist Camille Walala. It is intended to be a permanent installation and certainly makes what would otherwise be a plain steel walkway into something Instagram worthy. The station is officially known as Crossrail Place, and although not fully open at the moment, in 2021, it is hopefully this will be the massive hub for the Canary Wharf area. Moving up this escalator takes you to another level, where you can marvel at the fantastic wooden roofed structure. Walking away you'll see some lovely plants, which will lead you into a fantastic roof garden. The station sits almost directly on the Meridian line, and so the roof garden is split into western and eastern hemispheres. The origins of plants in each section will reflect this. This is certainly a fantastic space. What a brilliant thing to find in a London station. It's certainly the place to come for a lunch or just to sit down and relax. This is one of two entrances to the Elizabeth line, and alongside it are many bars, restaurants and cafes for you to enjoy. There is no doubt that the new Elizabeth line station here at Canary Wharf is a fantastic structure and is a credit to those who designed it and built it. The rooftop garden is well worth a visit, whether you're going by train or not, and the surrounding area is a very pleasant place to visit indeed. Walking through this walkway and then straight through the shopping centre will take you to an area where Middle Dock is. This area has fantastic views of the buildings and of course the DLR. This is also where you will find one of the entrances to the Canary Wharf Underground station. The station is on the Jubilee line and very iconic, so let's go down to concourse level and take a look. The concourse is very large and certainly able to take the huge amount of passengers using the station at peak times. The high ceilings add to the sense of space. The platforms are also a very good size, and the overall feel is that of a safe and very efficient underground station.
Science sorted.
One stop to the west is Canada Water Station. Here you will also find a connection to the Overground line, going north and southbound.
station. Please remember to keep priority seats free for people who need them and to look up to see if someone needs your seat more than you. It can make a huge difference if someone doesn't have to ask.
The station, like most of them on the Jubilee line, is spacious and industrial in feel, with steel everywhere. There isn't much else to see here, but I shall now take you back to Canary Wharf and show you how excellent and photogenic it looks once it gets dark. Well, I've had a thoroughly fantastic day here in Canary Wharf, the highlight of course being the Elizabeth line station behind me. There is also a lot more to see here, such as the Overground, the DLR and of course the Underground station. I'd advise anyone to come down here and see all the lights as well at night. It really is fantastic. But from me, Rain and Rail enthusiast, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you can, get on the railway and see where it takes you.